Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to give you a practical demonstration in very easy way how to create a module in Python. So to create a module in Python, first of all, click at option file and choose option new file and type the program code here. Here I am creating a function add which are accepting two value as parameter and calculating their addition. Now save this file with name addition.py. Note down, Python module is stored in a file with extension .py. You can give any file name, but the extension of your file should be .py. Here I am storing this function with name addition.py. So addition.py is our file name. Now open new file and type a new method in this file with name sub. The method sub is accepting two parameters a and b and calculating the subtraction of both the number. Now save this file with name subtraction.py. Now open a new file and type a new method mul which are accepting two parameters a and b and calculating multiplication of both the numbers. Now click. Now in order to test our module, import all three modules by using import command. Import addition, subtraction, multiplication. Here we are importing three modules: addition, subtraction, and multiplication by using import command. Now, in order to access method present in the module, we have to write command like this: addition dot add 10,2 subtraction dot sub 10,2 multiplication dot mul 10,2. Now save this file and try to click at option run module to test this module. See, so this is the way you can easily create module in Python, and you know import command is used to import module in Python, and in order to access method present in the file, we have to give command module name dot function name. Here addition is our module name and add is the method present in the module addition, and subtraction is our module name and sub is the method present in the module subtraction, and multiplication is our module name and mul is the method or function present in the module multiplication. Thank you. Have a nice day.